Dear children, today I am going to teach history lesson 4, the making of a global world. ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड का मतलब विश्व का व्यापारीकरण, ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड मेकिंग, वैश्वीकरण इसे कह सकते हैं। मेकिंग ऑफ ए ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड मतलब पूरे विश्व को एक साथ जोड़ने की व्यवस्था, व्यापार से जोड़ने की व्यवस्था को ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड कहा जाता है। इन दिस चैप्टर द pre-modern world change in the 19th century, the world economic takes place, the interwar economy, outbreak of the Second World War. ओवरव्यू में देखें, ग्लोबलाइजेशन इज एन इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम। वैश्वीकरण क्या है? एक इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम है, एक अर्थव्यवस्था है। इट यूज इन हार्डली फॉर द लास्ट 15 ईयर्स, हार्डली फॉर इसे 50 वर्षों से उपयोग किया जा रहा पिछले। बट द मेकिंग ऑफ द ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड हैज टेकन मैनी मोर ईयर, लेकिन मेकिंग ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड हैज टेकन मैनी मोर ईयर्स, बहुत पहले से प्रयास करने प्रयास किया जा रहा था कई बार कि हम इसको पूरे विश्व को एक साथ जोड़ दें, व्यापारीकरण करें, अर्थव्यवस्था से जोड़ दें। फॉर इट्स हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द हिस्ट्री ऑफ, इसे जानने के लिए पहले हम पिछले इतिहास को पढ़ना होगा। माइग्रेशन, पीपुल्स सर्च फॉर वर्क, द मूवमेंट ऑफ द कैपिटल along with the different phases through which our world has emerged. Our world has emerged. कहने का मतलब क्या है? यानी का फॉर हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड वी नीड अंडरस्टैंड, इसका पिछला इतिहास हमें समझना पड़ेगा। हिस्ट्री ऑफ ट्रेड, व्यापार का, माइग्रेशन आवागमन का, पीपुल सर्च, लोगों के सर्च के लिए काम किए, खोजें किए। द मूवमेंट ऑफ कैपिटल, पूंजी का प्रवाह, मूवमेंट, ये जानना पड़ेगा। अलॉन्ग विद द डिफरेंट फेसेज थ्रू विच आवर वर्ल्ड हैज इमर्ज, ये डिफरेंट फेसेज में जो वर्ड हमारा है इमर्ज हुआ है, संगठित हुआ है, इस पर ध्यान देना होगा। द प्री मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड क्या है? इसको ह्यूमन सोसाइटी है बिकम मोर इंटरलिंक्ड बाई द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम, पैसेज ऑफ टाइम या पैसेज ऑफ टाइम कह सकते। फ्रॉम एशियन टाइम travelers, traders, priests and pilgrims had been traveling vast distance for various reasons, like to gain knowledge, more opportunities, religious or spiritual fulfillment, or to escape from ill treatment. They used to carry with themselves various types of goods, money, ideas, skills, values, invention, and even germ and disease. Indus Valley Civilization. From 3000 BC, the Indus Valley Civilization was linked with the West Asia. इंडस वाले सिंधु सभ्यता हमारी पश्चिमी देशों से जो संबंध था। The long distance spread of the disease carried germ occurred as back as 17th century. Cowries, a form of currency, from the Maldives was found in China and East Africa. 13th century. The 13th century as a strong link was established between the countries. Skill route linked the world. Silk Route. The Silk Route are good example of pre-modern trade and culture links between the distant part of the world, that is linked Asia with the Europe and North Africa. These ancient routes were given the name Silk Route because along these routes the silk cargoes from China were carried to different regions of Europe. Chinese pottery, beside Indian species and textile from India and Southeast Asia were carried through these routes. In return, the precious metals like gold and silver came from Europe to Asia. Preachers traveler. The Buddhist preachers, Christian missionaries and later on Muslim preachers traveled to take these routes. These routes proved to be not only a great source of the trade but also cultural links between distant part of the world. केवल व्यापार से ही हमारा डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुआ, बल्कि कहें आने जाने से हमारी सभ्यता का भी डेवलपमेंट हुआ. कहते हैं these routes proved to be not only great source of the trade but also culture links. हम एक दूसरे की सभ्यता के साथ जुड़े between distant part of the world. टू उर्दू में पाई जाने वाली सभ्यता से मिले. फूड ट्रेवल एंड स्पैगेटी एंड पोटैटो. स्पैगेटी एक प्रकार की वेजिटेबल है जो आलू की तरह होती है, पोटैटो की तरह. कहते हैं फूड ऑफर्स मैनी एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस कल्चरल exchange. Traders and travelers introduced new crops to the lands which they visited. The common belief was that noodles traveled west from China and became spaghetti. It is presumed that the Arab traders took pasta to Sicily, Iceland. Italy in the 15th century, similar food were also known in India and Japan. All these incidents indicate to the long distance culture contact between the different countries even in the pre-modern era. Common foods like potatoes, soya, groundnuts, maize, tomato, chilies, sweet potato. Common foods like potatoes, आपके लिए etc. were introduced in Europe and Asia after Christopher Columbus had discovered America. These food came from America's original inhabitants, the American Indians. Now, potato as a new crop. Sometimes it so happened that new crop made an immense difference in the overall lifestyle of the common people of a particular region. Europe's poor began to eat better and live longer with the introduction of the potato. Ireland's forest peasants depend greatly on potatoes. During the Great Irish Potato Famine in the 1845 and 1849, around 1 million people died of starvation and 2 million immigrated in search of work. Now trade. In the 16th century, the countries came closer to one another after European sailors had found a sea route to Asia and America. For centuries before, the Indian Ocean had been known and energetic trade and goods, people, knowledge, custom, etc. The Indian subcontinent was central to the trade. However, the entry of the Europeans helped in the expansion of this trade towards Europe. Americans' rich land. From the 16th century, America's wasteland, abundant crops and minerals transformed trade and life everywhere. Second, precious metal, silver found in the mines of the Peru and Mexico enhanced Europe's wealth, financed its trade with Asia. Third, in the 17th century, Europe legends spread about El Dorado, the fabled city of gold in South America. Now Spanish and Portuguese in America next day. Thanks.